Alright guys, I'm just coming back from a little break and I see, y'all remember this little, this is most of the cars that has been traded in. So that looks like a Chevrolet Camaro or something like that. Oh, a Pacifica. They might have got a new Pacifica. Okay, so they traded that in. That looked like a Nissan Sentra maybe, I'm not sure. Hey, an older model. Hey, see, this is what I'm looking for. That is a Dodge Charger, guys. Y'all see on the side of that Hemi emblem? Yes, that is equipped with a Hemi. Now, this is what a lot of guys trying to do today, Charger. Most of the Chargers have 2.7s and 3.5s in it. They trying to go from those V6 engine to this V8. It's hard to do, guys. You come out better just buying a car equipped with a Hemi in it. They're all over the place. People trading them in. They're going to cost a little bit more, but they already loaded. Okay, this one already likely have a NAG 1 5-speed transmission in it and a Hemi V8. So now you can start your building process or whatever you want to do, whatever you have plans for your Hemi project, your V8 project. Okay, so this notion about going from V6 to V8 is too risky and expensive. All right, number one, 2.7. Please don't try to go from a 2.7 to a Hemi. That's a V6. A 2.7 is going to be equipped likely with a 42 RE transmission, guys. That will not team up with a Hemi V8 engine, okay? So from the shopping block, from the starting point, if your Charger is not equipped with a 3.5, if you're going to go from a V6 to a V8, you can't do it from a 2.7. It has to be from a 3.5. Because there are some 3.5s out there that's teamed up with the NAG 1 transmission. It's all about the transmission, guys. Now I'm sure a Hemi will bolt up to a 42 RE. It just will not. It's not strong enough. That transmission, that's a 4-speed transmission. That 42 RE is not built for a Hemi. It's not strong enough for a Hemi. So if you're gonna do it, it's gonna have to come from a 3.5 with a NAG in it up to a V8 Hemi engine. And even that is too risky. So stop it, guys. Cut it out. Don't do it. Just get you a car already equipped with a Hemi in it and fix it. If something is wrong with that, just fix it and start from scratch. That's what I would do. Now, this is the car here I was talking about. This was in the shop the other day. She traded this in. You know why? I'm sure she loved her car. It looks like she put a lot into it. Looks like a lot of artwork done to it. But under the hood, guys, is a 3.6 Pentastar engine, V6. Okay, she traded her car in for a Challenger with a Hemi engine, a V8 engine. Now, the thing about those V8, it doesn't matter. You can dress up or you can soup up any Hemi engine. There's so much material. There's so much features and opportunities you can do with a Hemi engine, guys. So, I mean, it doesn't have to be a 392. It can be a 345 or it doesn't matter as long as it's a V8. Start there, and based off the intake manifold that you use would dictate your direction, where you're going from there, as far as more horsepower, more boost, more this, more that. Okay, but when you start getting up there too high, you're going to be looking at different transmission, hell, even a different differential. Yes, guys, the differential play a major role in the boost or the power coming from your engine. What sensitive it is to have a powerful engine if the rest of your drivetrain is not compatible with all that power. All right. My point is, I just merely turned around because I saw this. I remember seeing her up there, and I found out she traded her beautiful Challenger in for a another Challenger with a V8 in it, though. Oh man, and so I foresee her being a little upset, being at the pump more. Being at the gas station more, a little bit more than this. This get better gas mileage than the V8 naturally. Okay, that's a no-brainer. But some people don't care. She don't care. I looked at the sticker price of brand new cars. These brand new. I'll go through the lot here in a minute. Those sticker prices, that MPG number just keep getting lower and lower and lower. No one seems to care. People are gonna get what they want, and we only have a short time down here on Earth. So I suggest you get what you like and get what you want. All right, I just wanted to touch on that, guys. That's a beauty. Now I don't know how hard it's gonna be for us to. She traded it in. I don't know if it's gonna go through the used car department and get back on the used car lot. Okay, I don't know who walking around. Somebody might see that and go, "Damn, that's exactly what I want." Until they pop the hood, but it doesn't matter, guys. I don't know. Depends on your your strategy, what you have in place. Hey, a caddy. Okay, somebody traded a caddy. I am curious to know what they traded it in for. What do we have in this line? Chrysler 300. Yes, if you're looking for luxury, that Chrysler 300 has been redesigned, everything, guys. Okay, they might have gone to a SUV. All right, our Durangos. We even got the new Wranglers out. So who knows what they got? I don't know. So, but we'll see. What we got here? Older model Jeep Liberty Nitro. I don't know what that is, but somebody traded that in. I'm curious to know what they got. Who knows? And last but not least, this looked like a Dodge Avenger, likely with the little 2.44 cylinder. Although there are some Avengers out there with the V6 3.3 Pentastar engine in it. All right, yes, there are. Okay, so I don't know. That car is kind of small to be. If it's a V6 in there, I guarantee you it's crammed up in there. It's very tight. All right, which makes it harder to work on. But who plan on working on their car when they first get it, right? No one. Okay, I see two more over here. I'm not sure what these all about. Let's go look at those new trucks, guys. What do we have here? Let me whirl around right quick. Oh, righty, guys. What do we have here? I don't know what that is. Can anybody call that? Guys, I've been in this bubble too long. I don't even recognize the emblem. Okay, I have no idea. All right, now a Charger, guys. See, there's no Hemi emblem on that Charger, so it's likely equipped with a 3.5 or a 2.7. Can you stick a V8 in that? Here we go again with this topic. It's too expensive and too risky. You would need the computers and everything out of this car. And Lord, I don't know what kind of transmission in it. That's why I say, man, stop it, people. Just get you a Charger already equipped with the V8 345 5.7 liter Hemi. Okay, I don't know what's the deal with the trunk. Why the trunk like that? Who knows? But yes, that's that. Now, the new stuff, guys. Yes, look at that. Those are some beauties. 1500 Hemi 5.7. And guys, all the problems we had out of the earlier built Hemi 1500s, they're gone. Okay, please don't come here asking or trying to. No car maker gonna carry on problems, guys. Once engineers find out problems that was found in the earlier model vehicle, they approve on them. Okay, no, nothing stays the same. There's no more valves, or there's no more Hemi ticking. There's no more. All the lifters on these 5.7 Hemis have been upgraded to the latest and greatest revision. No more ticking noise, even from the standpoint of the exhaust studs breaking on the end. I've done one. Those exhaust manifolds now on these trucks are new and improved and redesigned. They're not even built the same way, guys. All right, so don't be sitting on the fence talking about, man, I sure want one of them new Ram 1500, but I heard there's a lot of problems with them. Yes, guys, on the earlier models. Okay, you will not find earlier model Dodge Ram 1500s at a new car dealership. Okay, all new cars have been improved. All problems have been changed and redesigned and improved. All right, so have no fear, guys. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm done. That's all I have. That is a beauty right there. Woo, that's a beauty, guys. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. I just wanted to go through that with y'all. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.